Hey guys, so today I'm going to give you a quick review on how to take off your distributor and just kind of give you the location and the quick tip if you have to take it off. Okay guys, now this is a really easy job. Basically, you have three 12mm bolts, it looks like 1, 2, and you got one sitting right down in there. It's right at the end of my finger. The important thing is you're going to want to make like a little notch, like right up over here, to keep an eye on the location where it's at, because the way you adjust the ignition timing is when this is in, you just kind of twist it. So the location is important. It needs to go back in the same way it came out. And you can just kind of make a mark on the new distributor and just kind of get it about where the old one was. Basically, you'll just take those bolts out, you'll take the wires off, and again, remember where they go. And then basically there'll be a little seal in there. When you pull it out, a little bit of oil will come out, but that's not that big of a deal. So I think you got this electrical connector as well. This is just a squeeze and pull, and that's it. So you just take it off and put your new one on. That's it for this quick little review. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.